Hey there, fellow how-to enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to buy a car. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking to upgrade your current ride, this video will guide you through the car buying process step by step. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Determine your budget. Before you start your car search, it's crucial to establish how much you can afford to spend. Consider your income, savings, and other financial obligations. Be realistic and set a budget that works for you. Step 2. Research. Gather information about the make, model, and features you're interested in. Look for reliable sources like consumer reports and online reviews. This will help you narrow down your options and make an informed decision. Step 3. Visit dealerships and test drive. Once you have a short list of potential cars, visit local dealerships to see them in person. Take advantage of the test drive to get a feel for the vehicle's performance, comfort, and features. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Step 4. Check prices and negotiate. Armed with your research, it's time to compare prices. Online platforms can help you determine the fair market value of the car you're interested in. And remember, negotiating is part of the process. Don't be afraid to haggle for a better deal. Step 5. Financing options. If you're not paying in cash, explore different financing options. Shop around for the best interest rates and terms. You can also consider pre-approval from your bank or credit union. Understanding the financing process will save you time and money. Step 6. Get a professional inspection. Before finalizing the purchase, consider hiring a trusted mechanic to inspect the car. They can identify any hidden issues that may not be apparent during a test drive. This step is crucial, especially when buying a used car. Step 7. Arrange insurance. Don't forget to shop for car insurance. Research different providers and coverage options to find the best policy that suits your needs. Having insurance in place is essential before driving your new car off the lot. Step 8. Review and sign the paperwork. Read and understand all the documents related to your purchase. This includes the sales agreement, warranty, and any additional contracts. If you have any doubts or concerns, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. And there you have it, folks. Follow these steps, and you'll be well prepared to buy your dream car. Remember, take your time, do your research, and trust your instincts. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more how-to content. Drive safe and happy car shopping. Until next time.